You are driving your modern diesel, enjoying that torque, when suddenly you see black smoke pouring out the back or get a warning that your emissions system is failing. That is the nightmare scenario for code P209D, which stands for Reductant Injection Air Pressure Sensor B Circuit High. This is serious business because it involves the Selective Catalytic Reduction, or SCEAR system. This is the stuff that sprays diesel exhaust fluid, or DEF, into your exhaust to clean up emissions. If this system fails, your truck might go into a severe limp mode, or even refuse to start eventually. The code specifically means the computer is seeing too much voltage from the air pressure sensor in the DEF injection system. It thinks the pressure is sky high or there is a short in the wiring. Why does this happen? Often, it is the sensor itself failing, but it can also be the DEF pump, or even the injector clogging up. The symptoms are nasty. Less power, bad fuel economy, and that embarrassing black smoke. To fix this, you need to be methodical. Do not just clear the code and hope for the best. First, check for leaks. Is DEF fluid leaking anywhere? Crystalline white deposits are a dead giveaway. If the system can't hold pressure, the sensor readings will be all over the place. You will need a digital multimeter and ideally a scan tool that can read live data. Check the voltage on the sensor's signal wire. If it is pegged high, unplug the sensor. If the voltage drops on your scanner, the sensor is shorted internally. If it stays high, you have a short in the wiring harness leading back to the computer. Also, check the DEF injector nozzle. They love to get clogged with crystallized fluid. Cleaning it might save you hundreds of dollars. This is a complex system, so if you are not comfortable with electrical diagnosis, this might be one for the pros. But checking the wiring and for leaks is something you can definitely do right now to potentially save your ride.